Right now, somewhere in India, a college student is going to make their first 1 lakh rupees. Not from their parents, not from a job, from a skill they taught themselves and clients they found online. And by the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how to be that person. Hi, my name is Anshiki and you are watching Bizgurukul. If you want to build a future-proof career, make sure you subscribe to the channel because that's exactly what we talk about here. So let's get started. So here's the truth nobody tells the beginners. Your first 1 lakh is not just about being the most skilled person in the market. It's about picking one skill, getting just good enough to be useful, and finding the 2 or 3 clients who will pay you before you are actually ready. Once that first lakh hits your account, something changes. You stop doubting whether this is gonna work or not, and you start scaling. So here are 5 real beginner-friendly paths to get there and what makes each one work. Number 1 is content writing. Every brand, every founder, every creator needs word. LinkedIn post, Instagram captions, website copy, email sequences. The entry point is very low, but the ceiling isn't. A beginner writing LinkedIn post can charge 1,000 to 2,500 per post. The skill isn't just grammar, it's understanding what makes someone stop scrolling. So study 20 posts that actually went viral in your niche before you write your first one. And that's the shortcut most beginners skip. And by the way, we have actually prepared a structured document with the best prompts and methods to help you write your content that actually performs. So if you want it, just comment Bizgurukul below and we will send you the link. Number 2 is short form video editing. Every business with an Instagram page needs reel. So this is one of the fastest skill to monetize because the demand is constant and the tools are very accessible. CapCut, Premiere Pro, or even AI-assisted editing tools. So start by editing content for free for 2 or 3 creators to build your portfolio and then charge from there. Editors who understand pacing, hooks, and captions and not just cuts are the ones who get repeated clients. So this video, by the way, is edited by our own team and many of them are active freelancers themselves. So we know exactly how a working client getting portfolio actually looks like. If you want to know how to build one, let us know in the comment section and we might just make a full tutorial on it. Number 3 is simple website and landing page design. See, small businesses and solo creators need a website, but agencies quote them 20,000 to 2 lakh, and that gap is your opportunity. Tools like Framer, Webflow, or even AI website builders let a complete beginner build a clean landing page in a couple of hours. So you don't need to be a developer. You need to understand what makes a page convert, clear headlines, and one call to action and social proof. Number 4 is thumbnail and graphic design for creators. Look at any niche of YouTube channel, the thumbnails follow a pattern, and that's not laziness, that's strategy. If you can build 15 to 20 templates on Canva and adapt them for different creators, you can deliver fast because volume plus speed is the model here, not high pricing per piece. Number 5 is virtual assistants and microservices. This is the lowest barrier to entry on this list. Managing someone's inbox, scheduling their social post, doing basic research, handling DMs, and these are the tasks founders and creators are actively trying to outsource. It obviously won't make you 1 lakh in a week, but it teaches you how client work actually functions, and most people who start here move faster into higher paying skills afterwards. Now, all 5 of these skills, you can absolutely learn them from YouTube and for free actually, but a structured mentor-led course helps you get better, faster, with access to Q&As that solve your specific problems, something YouTube simply can't give you. So if you want that, check out Bizgurukul's structured freelance framework. In it, you don't just learn the skills we talked about today, you also learn the complete freelance framework, including client communication, portfolio building, and everything else that actually makes you client ready. Now, picking a skill is only step 1, but here's the part almost every beginner gets wrong. You don't need 3 months of learning before you start earning. You need about 3 weeks. Spend your first week in learning the fundamentals like free resources, YouTube tutorials, one structured course if you can access. Spend the second week doing practice projects, not real client work yet. By the third week, build a simple portfolio, like 3 to 5 sample pieces is enough, and start reaching out to potential clients, even if it means working below the market rate for your first 1 or 2 projects. And that undercharging phase isn't a mistake, it's a trade. You are exchanging a lower rate for a testimonial and a portfolio piece that lets you charge full price to the next client. And here's the one thing that separates people who make 1 lakh from people who stay stuck at 0, and that is communication. Not just English fluency, though that helps you charge more, but it's clarity. Clients don't pay you for your skill alone. They pay for how easily you make their problem disappear. So a freelancer who explains their processes clearly and deliver on time will always out-earn than the skilled freelancer who's disorganized or hard to reach. So here's what we want you to do right now. Comment below with the one skill from this list you are going to try. Give it 3 months of consistent effort before you judge whether it's working or not, because most beginners quit at week 3, right before things start moving. So your first 1 lakh rupee isn't about luck, it's about picking one lane and staying in it long enough to get good. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, think freelance, think Bizgurukul.